Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will take some English questions which are very important for all competitive exams. So in all the competitive exams, mostly active passive, narration, synonyms, antonyms, jumbled words, misspelled words, these are the very important topics. So today I'll take up the active and passive voice for the competitive exam. So active and passive voice. Active voice means where the subject is the doer of the action, and passive where the subject is the receiver of the action. So here, for example, active voice, he does not cook food. The subject is doing the action. And passive voice, food is not cooked by him. That is, the subject food is receiving the action. So here I take up some questions of the previous year's competitive exam. So the first sentence you see, Razia Sultana ruled over the northern part of India. So the options you can see, all the four options, but the first option is not correct as it is in present tense. And the sentence, Razia Sultan ruled over the northern part of India, is in past tense, and that is the active voice. The third sentence, the northern part of India had been ruled over by Razia Sultan. This is also not correct because the sentence is in simple past tense and the passive form has also to be in simple past tense. The fourth one, the northern part of India was being ruled over by Razia Sultana. So the fourth sentence is also not correct because this is not simple past tense. So the correct answer is the second one, that is the northern part of India was ruled over by Razia Sultan. So here in the passive form you see the object plus this should be was a verb, that is the auxiliary verb, plus V3 plus by subject. Next sentence we take was your bag left in the bus? So here you see the same rule is applied here also. Was your bag left in the bus? So you have to now give the answer in the active form. So here the correct answer again here will be number 2. That is, did you leave your bag in the bus? So when there is a question, you have to use did, and with did we always put the present tense. So the correct option is, did you leave your bag in the bus? So here is the rule. Third question is, they are making elaborate arrangements for the party. This is also in the active voice and this is in the present continuous tense. So in the passive form, the present continuous tense, the third answer will be correct. That is, elaborate arrangements are being made for the party. So in the continuous tense, you have to use being, are being made for the party. So here I'll give you the rule. That is in the passive form, it is object plus auxiliary verb plus being plus V3 plus by plus subject. So in the present continuous tense, being is necessary. At the fourth sentence, we all regard Lisa as an expert. Again, we had to give the answer in the passive form. So the fourth sentence, you see, the correct answer is Lisa is regarded as an expert by all of us. So here you are giving the answer in the passive form. So the rule here, you see, in the passive form, you have to take Lisa, for example, object has is, am, are, plus V3, plus by, plus subject. And in the active voice, subject plus V1 plus S plus ES means accordingly the singular or plural, the verb changes, plus object. Question number 5, you see, we have looked at the plan carefully. So you have to give the correct passive form. So question 5, the correct answer will be, of course, the third one, that is, we have looked. That means it is in the present perfect tense. So the passive form will be the third answer, the correct answer. The plan has been looked at carefully. So when there is perfect tense, you will have to use being. Has been looked at carefully. And here is the rule as I've given. That is, in the passive form, object plus has, have, plus been, plus V3, plus by, plus subject.